So, good evening, everyone. I already finished my um, mini project for CMSC 207, and for my reflection, what challenges did I encounter? So, honestly, I'm not so good when it comes to front end designing. I only knew basic on it, so it was really a challenge for me, especially using at media and aligning of sections and articles. So it's a little bit hard for me in a way that I don't know how to start or when I am going to use uh, certain CSS tag. So that's it. What did I learn from this mini project? So I had learned that there's a lot of functionalities that we could be able to use using HTML, CSS, JavaScript in website development. So I think it is really important to have a passion on working on this front end developer. So I think it also important that you have a designing skills. You will be able to see the correct colors, combination of colors, combination of font styles, because I think it would be easy for you to create a website or a design, even a simple website. So for me, it was really a challenge creating a front end designing. So that's all. Thank you.